In this video, we'll talk about doing it for yourself. The advent of social media exposes us to multiple influences from various people across the world. It is easier to act in ways to fit into the crowd because you don't want to be rejected. The mindset can also affect your plan for a home workout. You might want to lose weight to earn the acceptance of people who don't care about you. This chapter reviews how to ensure you start on the right note by making your plan all about you. Avoiding unnecessary attention. The last thing you want is people paying attention to you unnecessarily because of your physique. Unfortunately, this is the experience of many people today, especially plus-size folks. The internet and movies are full of insensitive jokes to mock people because they are overweight. Indeed, it is not good to have excessive weight. It is not beneficial to your appearance, and it can also make you at risk for some health challenges, including obesity. However, you shouldn't start your workout plan on the wrong note. There's nothing wrong with losing weight, but you shouldn't do so because you want to avoid unwarranted attention to yourself. Remember that developing muscle or losing weight is a gradual process. Of course, you should have a vision, a desired physique. Nonetheless, you need to learn to accept yourself while working towards your objective. See yourself as someone who deserves the love and respect of other people regardless of your appearance. If you notice that your circle of friends often make insensitive comments about your looks, you need to keep your distance from them. Be around people who aren't ashamed of you despite wanting you to get better. Good friends will tell you your deficiencies and give you a roadmap to improve on them. They will support your plan and provide you with moral support to sustain your momentum. Besides, losing weight or building muscles does not mean that people will stop making jest of you. Insensitive people will always find reasons to mock you, regardless of how successful you are. For example, Cristiano Ronaldo is one of the greatest footballers ever, but people still make demeaning remarks about him. So learn to love and accept yourself regardless of your appearance. Keeping fit with the right motive. In some fitness-based articles and books, the authors often encourage people to use negative comments and experiences as inspiration. For example, as a lady, if you were dumped by your boyfriend because you're overweight, they would encourage you to look sexy to get back at him. At the surface, it looks like a brilliant idea. You'll imagine going out on a date with another hot guy and posting the picture on social media. Nonetheless, it is a sign of insecurity. Whoever breaks up with you because of your physique does not deserve your time. It is a different case if you have decided not to put in the effort to enhance your experience. However, if a guy hooks up with another lady because he feels you're no longer as sexy as you used to be, he does not deserve you. It is the same for a lady who breaks up with a guy on the same grounds. The worst thing you can do is to start visiting the gym or starting a workout plan because of revenge. If you start doing exercise to prove a point, you'll be frustrated and discouraged in the long run. Think about it. Some guys still cheat on their spouse even when she's gorgeous. Many celebrities come to mind in this regard. In the same way, guys who have attractive abs lose their partners to other men. So the issue is never because of physical appearance. If a person loves you, he or she will stick with you regardless of your physique. He or she might encourage you to lose weight, but it will never be by threatening to dump you for someone slimmer. Staying clear of media pressure. Some people can recognize their source of stress. For example, you may know that your boss at work has been frustrating in recent times. In the same way, you may know that your kids or spouse have been making you unhappy recently. However, excessive exposure to media influences can affect you in ways you may never know. For example, you may be feeling bad about your body shape because of unpleasant comments after posting a picture. Some people would post heavily edited pictures just to get likes and positive comments. Unfortunately, you might be feeling that such people have lives better than yourself. Meanwhile, they are just living a lie. Before you do anything, you need to ask yourself for the motive behind it. For example, you might want to start working out to earn more likes on social media. You may want to be given appellations such as hot, sexy, gorgeous, handsome, and the likes. Indeed, such comments are nice and can put you in a good mood. However, it is a problem when you feel downtrodden or rejected because someone called you ugly or fat. You can become desperate and start working out to prove a point to such people. However, you'll not be able to sustain it. In fact, they can mock your effort to improve yourself. Wait until you have the body shape you desire before posting videos or pictures. If you want to inspire or encourage others, don't post them to show your detractors that you're making progress. They can laugh at you, and that will only affect your self-esteem further. You might need to take a break from the digital world to help put you back in charge of your life. This process is called digital detox. Signs you're working out for the wrong reasons. You can know when your motive for starting a workout is wrong. It will affect the way you go about it. The following symptoms shows that you need to review your motive or method. You're working out too hard due to impatience. You're excessively indulging in one type of movement. Your body is overly sore with pain lingering for a week or more. You're feeling pain on one side of your body. These signs are common to people who are trying to prove a point. You'll be fixated on one side of your body instead of overall health. Also, you'll be trying too hard because you're desperate.